Welcome back to this episode of Steve's Garage. Today's project is going to be covering how to change the oil on the snowblower to get it ready for winter. Many manufacturers have similar processes, so this should work for the majority of the brands on the market. The tools needed to do this project are engine oil, a drain pan, an adjustable wrench, and vice grips. The first step is going to be to warm the engine up. It's good to run the engine for about 3 to 5 minutes to get it hot enough so that you're going to be able to get the oil out easier. Alright, now that the engine's warm, we're going to drain the oil. So how I like to do it is you have to hold this with a pair of vice grips and then you remove this nut and let it drain back into the oil pan. While the engine is draining, you can tilt the snowblower back to help the oil drain easier. After that's complete, we'll put the cap back on and tighten it. When refilling the oil, you should use the manufacturer's recommended oil, or at least use one of the right weight. I like to fill the oil to the point where it's around 75% of the bottle, or 75% of the recommendation, and then I will take a look at the dipstick to see how much oil is in the engine. So I'm going to do a quick check to make sure I'm not over the full line and above the minimum line. And that's it. A few easy steps, and now your oil in your snowblower is changed. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you next time.